Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Transform. This is Upender. In this video, we are going to be discuss about different types of SQL statements we have in the database. Okay, before starting this concept, just I will try to review some topics, nothing but data and metadata. So metadata is nothing but which will qualify the actual data, right? We have discussed in the previous video. Our data is actual data. So storage representation of objects and events will call as a data, and data about the data will call as a metadata. Correct? Okay. So here we are going to be discuss different types of SQL statements. First one is totally we have 5 types of SQL statements. In that first one is a DDL. DDL stands for data definition language. If you want to deal with the metadata in the database, then you have to take the help of DDL commands. For example, if you want to create any object, like if you want to create a table, if you want to create a view, or if you want to create a synonym or index anything, or if you want to rename the table, or if you want to drop the table, any operation, these are these all operations are on the metadata, right? So these kind of operations, if you want to do, then you have to go for DDL commands. Clear? Second one, DML. DML stands for data manipulation language. As name itself telling, if you want to manipulate the data in the database, then you have to use this DML commands. This is all about actual data in the database. If you want to insert or delete or data or update data, existing data, any operation if you want to do, then you have to take the help of this DML commands, nothing but data manipulation language. Next, TCL commands. TCL stands for transaction control language. If you enter any data into the one document, will it save automatically or do we need to save it? We have to save it, right? If you want to save that permanently into your storage, we have to save it. Same way, after doing your DML operations on the database, like inserting the data or deleting the data or updating the data, you have to issue a TCL command to save the data permanently into your database. TCL commands are help us to store the data permanently into your database. Okay. Next, DCL. DCL stands for data control language. So I will try to take one example. Let's take you have created one table in your database or in your under your user, and the table want to access by the some other user. Okay, you are the owner of the table and you have complete access. But if some other user want to access the table, you need to give the permission on the table to for particular user. Then only you can able to access. So granting the privileges or revoking the privileges on the objects is going to be done with the help of DCL commands. Next, DRL statement. DRL stands for data retrieval language. It will have only one command, that is select statement. Select statement will help us to read the data from the database. So if you want to read anything from the database, then you have to take the help of DRL statements only. Okay. Our SQL videos, most of our SQL videos are going to be focused on the select statement only. 80 to 85% of our training videos will focus on the select statement only, because that is a very important command. Okay, that's all about this video. We are going to be discuss each and every command individually in the coming videos. So please let me know if you have any questions in this video in the comments. We'll try to answer them. Thank you.